What's up, guys? It's your boy Evo from Evo's Edible Creation, and I'm with
JustRight Mac.
And today we are making
red velvet cupcake
and
vanilla cupcake.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Get a little more energy, y'all. Tell it give us more energy.
Oh, okay. Hype it up.
Give me the shot. You know it's a drinking channel too, so we But so these are all the ingredients we're gonna need for our red velvet and our vanilla vegan cupcakes. You feel me? So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get this out the way, and we're gonna start with our wet base, our wet batter. Let's get it going.
Okay, so first we're gonna start with our wet ingredients. I'm gonna be doing 1 cup of almond milk.
All right. I like that color. Alright, she put 1 cup of almond milk in there, or is that, yeah, almond milk in there. I would do 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, so we're gonna put it with pour right.
And because we're mixing the vinegar and the milk, sometimes it will curdle, sometimes it won't, but you wanna let this sit for at least 5 to 10 minutes.
Yes, ma'am, and then we're gonna put that to the side and start on our dry ingredients. So now we're here with our dry ingredients. We're gonna start on this side because I'm a gentleman. We have.
Okay, so I will be starting with 2 tablespoons of cocoa. So that's 1.
Okay.
Get on up in here.
That cocoa.
Yeah.
I'm in love with that cocoa. Okay, then we.
Alright, we got our 1 teaspoon of salt.
Kosher salt.
Yes. And then we got 1/2 teaspoon of
baking soda.
Look at you.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm prepared.
Okay.
Then it's my turn. So we over here. I got 1 1/4 of flour, so I'm gonna drop both of them like that. And then I need 1 cup of sugar, granulated sugar. I'm gonna drop the sugar. Sugar don't drop. 1 cup. It's a lot of sugar, people. It's a lot of sugar. Ooh. There we go.
You did baking soda.
I did baking soda.
So, but you said
I did baking
powder.
I did baking soda. You didn't do baking powder.
Exactly, but you said baking powder. I just
It's my
want to make sure.
I show you.
I just want to make sure we telling the people the right stuff.
Yes, we
So then,
I did baking soda.
yes.
Yeah, she doing
And now I'm doing baking powder. So we're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Boom.
I think I said mine right. So I did the song. I got baking soda with. I'm gonna play it back.
But I don't think so.
And after that, we are going to mix the ingredients with the whisk, not the machine.
We're gonna mix.
Show me your wrist game, girl.
Oh, baby, you know.
You a guess, I'm working on myself.
I'm not even. Nah.
I'm the counselor.
Get that mix on up in there.
Get that mix. Oh,
Yeah, look at
I hold it for you.
that
Hold it for you.
Yeah, you could do
I got
something. I was wondering. Alright, that's enough. Oh, I thought you don't work in your shop. Look at that.
If you want it done right, put the collar balls. Then we got our dry ingredient mix, but we do have to go back to our wet ingredients and add some stuff, add a little bit more things because we let it stay.
Okay.
Alright, so now we're back to our wet ingredients. This didn't curl up like we thought it was gonna be, so we good. So I'm gonna add my oil in, 1/3 cup of oil, vegetable oil. Get over
What
there.
happened to you being a gentleman? I thought it was good for you.
You went last time. Take turns. Let's ride it up. I think you're gonna do something
Don't
right
care
there.
with you now.
And then I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons.
2 tablespoons.
You right. You right. I can't read today. 2 tablespoons of red food color. We're gonna put this down.
Okay, so while you struggle,
Yeah, when you
then I'm
doing
gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of almond extracts.
hope they good too. Is it good? Oh,
A little bit mild. It's a little extra, but you know.
Okay, we eat it.
And then I'll be doing 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract as well. That's 1, 2. Oh, you made a mess. Look at you. You did.
Put the stuff in?
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna get my 2 teaspoons of dye. I made a little mess, but
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
Yeah.
Somebody on my staff mixed me up on the teaspoon, tablespoon. Alright, everybody. So now we got our mix together for the red velvet. You see it? It's red. And then I have my mix together for the vanilla vegan cupcakes. Remember, this is vegan, red velvet, and vanilla cupcake. We're gonna take our mixtures and pour it in. We're gonna mix it up. You ready?
Alright, so I'm gonna take my wet ingredients and pour it into my dry.
Ooh, mine look nice.
Mine look good.
Yeah, yours look better than mine.
It do. Mix that on up.
You gotta stir, flip.
Gotta fold this thing.
Oh, stir and fold. Stir and fold.
Mine look pretty. Good.
Stir and fold.
That's cute.
My back ready, shut up. Yeah, mine don't look good.
Yeah, yours look nice.
Stir and fold.
But mine look really, really pretty. It's coming together. So,
I think
y'all
somebody.
had a choice. Y'all should just pick mine and eat it out here.
But believe in vanilla, you can never go wrong with vanilla.
You always use a little bit of spice of that red. Always.
I'm gonna kick out of here. Everybody upstaging me today on my videos, people. I'm just letting you know.
Alright, so mine is just about mixed. I'm gonna make sure you don't have no lumps or bumps or nothing in there. What happened to your wrist game? When you just talked about that earlier?
Wrist broken now. You gotta follow this folding and flipping.
Alright.
I think mine looking decent though. I'm getting there.
So mine is already there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start filling up my half with the cupcake.
You got it? You gotta get out the way, go
I'm
ahead.
so left-handed, this is just ridiculous. Ooh, look how pretty that looks. Alright.
You probably gotta put it up like halfway.
That's true. But you know what, I'm just for this.
Sure. You got 5 more to do.
Yeah.
Oh,
You
okay.
said halfway?
Yeah, so it won't seal in the tub.
Still flipping it.
Yeah, I'm trying to make sure because yours look like you flipped it too quick.
No, mine look pretty.
I'm in the game now, y'all.
Wow, why this thing so far away?
Come on, you want to bring it close?
Please.
There you go.
See? No longer. I mean, the people gonna most likely eat mine more than yours, so.
I'm gonna just edit you out of everything. How about that? Tired of y'all upstage to be on my own channel. Hey, why you making a mess on your stuff?
I know, I gotta clean it up.
Please do.
But that's because mine, it don't look like snot. It don't stick together. Like.
Alright, now we're back. We got our vegan cupcakes out there. Mine look decent. Look at this. Look at this.
But mine look better. No holes.
Y'all comment below.
All fluffy.
Mine fell a little bit. Little.
Mine ain't fall at all.
But the comment below looks better. Look at it. Look at that beautiful. Don't worry about that. But now we got a vegan frosting. We're gonna put it there. I'm gonna put the ingredients on there. Go ahead and top it up. Let's see what your skills is.
I mean, you already saw how my cupcake
I
was.
think I beat you in the icing because your icing trash.
I mean, but look at your cupcake. Yeah,
Don't worry.
right. The way that.
Oh yeah, I got on the icing, people.
What you just gonna do?
I learned this from Gordon Ramsay.
What? Oh, look at you.
Oh, put that right there.
Aww. But see, you see how mine is spreading, so it's gonna take care of all that anyways.
You want every bite you get, put that in the dent, bro. This the one that dented in.
Oh yeah, you got a lot. See, look at you.
Don't be talking about what is it, speed bump icing?
Okay, so you gotta put mine in circles too. You gotta make it look pretty.
Okay, oh, it is following there.
It is following, yeah.
So you notice a fashion, a ever creation, you always gotta taste what we make. So you go first, just in case. I don't eat vegan food, but hey.
This is the red velvet, you know. So down here, try this bad boy out.
It look moist.
This is good.
Alright, we'll cut right there. We don't know if it's good or that. I'm gonna try mine.
This is pretty.
My ice is just falling everywhere. I ain't make the. We got double it up.
What are they? I mean, the vanilla look cute, but my red velvet almost gone. You know it's good.
It look cute too. That's what I see fat on the camera. Put those snacks over here about me, I chomp them up.
I'm telling you, for this to be vegan, it's so good.
It really is though, to be vegan. Cupcake and the icing to be vegan.
Right.
So, I really. So
I'll eat this whole thing. Mess with me. Can't do that right now.
Thanks for coming on the show.
Yes. Thank you for having me. I really enjoyed myself.
I'll put our information on website and Instagram in the description below.
They hit.
I'm going vegan now.
Me. It hit.
Yeah, my head.
But mine better though.
It look better.
It tastes better. I'm telling you. It's so moist.